Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to change wallpaper on Mac. In addition, we'll tag Mac products within the video and include affiliate links to fantastic Mac products in the description below. To start, click on the Apple icon, located at the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down list will then appear. On the list, you will see an option for System Preferences. Click on System Preferences. On the pop-up window, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Desktop and Screensaver. Now, select a wallpaper from your computer folders. In this case, I can choose from Desktop Pictures and Colors. Once you click on any of the photos, your desktop wallpaper will automatically change. There are lots of options like Dynamic Graphic, Light and Dark Graphic, or just the solid colors. To select a much specific graphic, you may click on the drop-down arrow, and you will see options such as Automatic, Light Still, and Dark Still. These options can be used to modify your wallpaper to the style you prefer. Lastly, select how you'd like the wallpaper to appear, either fit to screen, stretch to fill screen, or center. That's how you change wallpaper on Mac. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.